What? No. Read my.
I suppose I got a camera in another one then.
Oh, aren't they? Keep digging. Hey. Elsa's shoes.
Let's see your shoes, Harriet.
Red
See your shoes.
My other presents coming.
I think you have to have a 5-minute break.
A lot of effort to get that.
What's he doing?
The hardback was sold out.
Hey, get it, Connor.
Wow.
I thought you could
Should
tell
we open
by
it in a
the
minute?
hardbacks and all the other ones. So.
Yeah. 2 more presents to open.
Nanny, I think this is Charlie's present.
Oh, it
What
is?
Harriet, don't open it if it's not yours.
That's Charlie's from Julie, I think.
Brenda.
Yeah.
Good thing.
Nice.
Nice.
Harriet, leave Charlie alone.
Nanny.
And they do,
You
guys.
just need a castle.
That's it. Show me then, Charlie.
Show Adam your knight.
Go.
Go. Charlie, show Adam your knight.
Dragon.
Charlie boy, is this a
Trying
camera?
to get off.
Charlie,
Sandy.
Charlie, this is your present to your dad. I think it's a camera.
Canberra.
Canberra. Yeah, it is. It's Australian.
Thank you.
It's a chest horn.
I'm really confused.
So when you support the top with the pole,
It's
get
old.
up your chest.
Old. Old.
Dinosaurs.
No.
I know what it is!
It's old.
It's a jetpack, isn't it? You knew I wanted a jetpack. This is all in bits. It's got rockets in there and stuff.
iPhone.
Dinosaurs, yeah.
So my eyes like that because I know what to get you next year.
They're iPhones.
There are no jetpacks.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh,
what?
that's very heavy.
Very good. It's a very heavy dinosaur. Oh.
Charlie, last one. In front of you.
You already have your present.
No.
These are presents for you. That's presents for you. Just 2 more for Charlie. One more iPhone. Charlie, this is iPhone.
Another dinosaur car. We need to get scissors in.
Charlie.
I don't know where the scissors are gone.
Charlie, more presents.
You're like walled in by presents now.
This is
Here's a camera. Mummy. So don't get him a camera so the video fights. He's just not fighting him.
And I'm opening this for Charlie. I open this. For Charlie. What about the little bed?
Paddington.
Wow, Paddington.
Paddington. Charlie, you got Paddington, the bed.
You need to talk to Adam about it. 'Cause that's the
Paddington.
same as that, almost.
What?
But
But it's no good, obviously, 'cause he's got that big other
Charlie,
thing.
Yeah, but it's taking stills, so it's taking video.
Charlie's got
That's an action one. You strap it to your chest so you can film everything you do.
Christmas tree.
Like on
Like
Yeah.
a
Christmas
Yeah.
waterproof.
That's, yeah.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want with it.
Christmas tree.
They're the ones
Wow, yeah. Okay.
Try the
That's
But
good, boy.
if you want to, you can keep it in its packaging and we can upgrade it to the next one. But none of the next ones are in stock anywhere. But you'll have to talk to Adam about what the differences are between that one and the next one.
Adam's got that one though. You know the video that he showed when we were at Disney, when we sat watching that parade,
Yeah, that's
and
all.
Charlie was in it. That was what was taken on that.
But it's like in a waterproof shell, like toughened shell, so you can drop it off height.
Who's that?
You can take it
That's your
swimming.
daddy.
So we could do the barbell training and Wu-Tang.
Yeah.
That was
You
yours
can do a
from
point
us.
of view one, or
Right.
you can set it up on a
Daddy's.
tripod somewhere and it will film, or
You know, if you're walking up the steps in China,
when
you could have a
going up
selfie
steps up
stick.
that mountain,
I think it comes with a remote as well, so you can press it and take like wide angle shots and stuff of yourself.
Harry, did you open my present,
Yeah.
Rhonda? Well, it's eating time.
That's a book.
They're eating pants.
Okay, that's
Oh, nice, thank you. Really spoiled
Can you
me.
get mine from under the stairs?
I never buy any clothes anymore.
Should we try and move some stuff out of the way?
Yeah, I can.
Charlie, this is my last present. Where's it from, Mummy? It's a book.
It's the little brother to my big brother.
Yeah?
And obviously that's the lens. I'll try and show you.
Right.
Basically, you don't ever want to open that unless you're going to put a lens on.
Okay.
But there's the sense, it turns towards that thing.
Right.
Off.
So put this on it then.
Yeah. It's a 24 megapixel. That should just pull off.
Okay.
And basically, you don't really want to ever have them open in like windy conditions or anything. So you turn that, rotate to the white, and then you find the dot, line up the dot with that one on there, push it in, and then just turn. Oh, and that's in.
Okay.
Can't do vagina on it.
But that's like a variable focus lens. But you could probably get the Nifty 50, like my one, or you could even borrow my one, because mine works on yours. But you need a battery.
Well, we should see the rest of it.
Put the battery in here, do I?
Yeah.
Is there a battery in here?
Yeah, there should be somewhere in there.
I'm not quite sure what this is, but it's interesting stuff.
I looked at it and thought it seemed vaguely interesting and worth a go.
I read the iTunes. Couldn't stay with it.
Oh, here's the battery.
They're not too far out because it'll put a paper in the middle.
Careful! Hey! What's up?
That way?
Come here with me. Come here, go that way.